and all the values are 0. That is an off state. So जब on or off is repeating again and again, that is basically flashing of the LEDs. और इसका मतलब जब on हो रहा है और जब off हो रहा है, there has to be some amount of delay in between, otherwise आप उसको देख ही नहीं सकते. तो वो जब आपने ऑन किया और जब ऑफ किया उसके बीच में एक डिले आएगा. सो हम अब ये कैसे कर रहे हैं? मूव AL, FFH. FF means all the values are high. Out AL at A9. Now A9 is what? The port address of port B. और पोर्ट बी पे हमारी क्या लगी हुई है? LEDs. पोर्ट बी इज एन आउटपुट पोर्ट. तो पोर्ट बी पे आपकी LEDs लगी हुई है. तो अब आपने LEDs फ्लैश करानी है. सो मूव AL, FFH out AL to A9. That means all the LEDs are turned on. Call delay. This is a small delay subroutine. Then move AL, 00H. अब आपने LED ऑफ करवानी है. फ्लैशिंग तभी होगी ऑन ऑफ ऑन ऑफ ऑन ऑफ. तो move AL, 00H out AL to A9H. Again call delay. Again उसके बाद फिर the same process will be repeated. Jump to this value. That is, take the input from पोर्ट सी जिसका पोर्ट एड्रेस है AA. यहाँ पे कीज कनेक्टेड है. उसका जो भी स्टेट है और एंड एज लॉन्ग एज द value of those keys is less than FFH, it will keep blinking the LEDs. As long as it becomes equal to FFH, it will come out of this sequence. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to anyone at any step? Is there any doubt to anyone with any of the instructions? Okay, so this is clear. Okay, write another one.
Ma'am, can you please hold it down?
Yes.
हम थोड़ा नीचे कर दो मेरे को लास्ट में लिखनी थी. Thank you, ma'am.
So is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write another one. Interface an 8-bit DAC. DAC is digital to analog converter. Interface an 8-bit DAC to 8086 through 8255. Interface an 8-bit DAC to 8086 through 8255. And write the programs, the following programs for this interface. First is to generate a square wave. Second is to generate a triangular wave. Write a program to generate a square wave and generate a triangular wave. So the first step is always to obtain a control word and put it into the port address of that control word register. Then only it will program that particular interfacing peripheral as per your specifications. So now what will be the control word here? Now in this question it says write a program to generate a square wave. Now square wave is something which is a continuous wave. So here there is no input that you are giving constantly. And so all the ports are defined as, we can define all the ports as output ports simply. So what would be the, by default it's 0. So iska control word kya hoga? First D7 bit is high for the IO mode. This is not a BSR mode. if it would have been a BSR mode, उसमें पोर्ट C की कुछ बिट्स का सेट रीसेट होता है, and so one can easily identify if we need to work with an IO mode or a BSR mode. Fine, so D7 bit is high for IO mode. Rest, since no specific mode is defined, we are taking it as mode 0. So it's 0 0, and for ports also all the modes are 0 by default. So 0 means an output port, right? We doesn't need any specific input port here. So how will it work? Move AL comma 80H out at ABH. Let's take the same port addresses for this problem as well. Fine, these two steps are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we need to generate a square wave. अब square wave generate कैसे होती है? We have a low value and we have a high value. There are no intermediate values. इसमें दो ही logic states होती हैं, low and high, and so we can simply use the logic move AL comma 0 0 H and out at किसी भी पोर्ट को आप इसमें मतलब ले सकते हो. No specific port is defined. Let's say we take port C as the output port. So port C का port address है AA. So but keep the port at keep using port C only as the port address or as an output port for all the rest of the instructions. So it's move AL comma 0 0 out AL to AA. Call delay. क्योंकि जब 0 से 1 के बीच में जाता है तो आप 0 स्टेट प्रिसाइसली देख सकते हो और 1 स्टेट प्रिसाइसली देख सकते हो. सो देयर हैज टू बी some amount of delay between the off state and the on state. Next we have move AL comma FFH and out this value at the port address of port C. Call delay again, and the same sequence will get repeated. So is this program sequence to generate a square wave through 8255 is clear? We have made this an infinite loop for jump se seedha is going to that move AL instruction again so that we can have a continuous square wave. Is this clear?
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. मैम प्लीज इस वाले क्वेश्चन से जो पहले हुआ था एक बार ब्रीफ में बता दोगे?
किस चीज को?
मैम इस वाले क्वेश्चन से जितना भी पहले हुआ था.
पिछला क्वेश्चन?
यस मैम.
तभी पूछा करो ना, तब क्यों नहीं पूछते?
मैम मैं वो 10 मिनट्स लेट आया था क्लास में.
Okay, so the previous question says that you need to interface 8 keys and 8 LEDs with 8086 using 8255, and we need to write a program sequence to flash the 8 LEDs connected to port B. Now, since we are saying that LEDs are connected to port B, that means port B is working as an output port until port C becomes FFH. And so keys are connected to port C, and hence port C is an input port. So accordingly, we will identify the control word for this problem. So D7 bit we have made it as high, because D7 bit is 1 for IO mode and it's 0 for a BSR mode. So here, since it's not a BSR mode, it's an IO mode, so D7 bit is high. D6, D5, these are for mode selections. So since no specific mode is given in the question, we'll take it to be as mode 0. तो हमने उसको 0 0 ले लिया है. Then D4 bit tells us about port A, and by default all the bits are 0 in the control word. So all the ports by default work as output ports. So since nothing about port A is given, we have left D4 bit also, so by default it's 0. Now D3 bit is about port C, and port C is an input port, and so D3 bit is high, but D3 bit is connected to port C upper, that is the upper 4 bits of port C. And as per the question, we have 8 keys which are connected to port C, and accordingly port C lower also needs to be high to make it work as an input port, and so D0 bit is also high. And D2 D1 is for port B, which is again, port B is an output port क्योंकि उसके साथ LEDs connected है, and so the control word is 89H. Is the control word clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next, these are the port addresses for different ports. So for port A, the port address is A8, port B A9, port C AA, control word register का port address is AB. So the control word needs to be placed at the port address of control word register. And so move AL, 89H, जो control word था, out AL to AB. AB is nothing but the port address for the control word register, और इसलिए हमने इसको output किया है AB पे. Next, we are writing the instruction in AL, AAH. So in AL, AA means AA here indicates the port address. Now since A किसका port address है, out instruction में ये value port address पे हम कोई भी value port address पे भेजते हैं, इन instruction से हम value को port address से लेते हैं. So since this is the source, this is the destination always, and so this is nothing but the port address. अब AA आपका किसका port address है, port C का. port C पे keys connected है. So in AL, that is, we are taking the key press status from port C. So in AL, AA, compare AL to FFH, because the question says flash the LEDs until port C becomes FFH. So as long as the status of port C is not FFH, it will keep flashing the LEDs. So it will compare